Welcome back everybody to Basic Math by Firdaus. So today we are going to study some more topic on geometry. I hope that everybody has revised what I have taught you all in the previous class. आज हम अपनी नॉलेज को थोड़ा सा और इनहांस करेंगे किस टॉपिक पे? ज्योमेट्री पे. So coming back towards the topic. If I draw a two parallel lines, अगर हम एक first of all tell me what is a parallel line. पहले ये बताइए कि parallel lines होती क्या है? Parallel lines are the lines that every point distance between those lines is equal. Suppose that distance between this line here is d. इस पॉइंट पे डिस्टेंस क्या है दोनों के बीच में? d है. अगर हम इस पॉइंट पे लेंगे तब भी हमारा डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? सेम होगा. हमारा डिस्टेंस d ही होगा. Our distance at every point is same between those lines. Now what is our transverse? Now I am going to tell you all what is our transversal. If I draw a line that passes through two lines at the same plane on two distinct points, so this is known as the transversal. So now we are going to name this angle. Now let this angle be 1, this angle 2, this angle 3, this angle 4. Now 5. These are different angles, okay? 6. ये अलग अलग angles हैं. 7 and 8. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are different angles. Now what I am going to tell you all. This angle 1 is equivalent to angle 4. Angle 1. Angle 1 is equivalent to angle 4. How it is equivalent? Because this is vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 is equivalent to angle 3. जो second angle है वो third के equivalent है. First angle fourth के equivalent है. 5 is equivalent to 8 and 7 is equivalent to 6. Angle 5 is equivalent to angle 8. Angle 6 is equivalent to angle 7. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle. Because these angles, 1 is equivalent to 4 because it is vertically opposite angle. 3 is equivalent to 2. 5 is equivalent to 8. 7 is equivalent to 6. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angle. Now we are going to study what are alternate interior angles. Angle 3. Angle 3 is equivalent to angle 6. Angle 4 is equivalent to angle 5. Angle 4 is equivalent to 5 because these are alternate interior angle. These are alternate interior angle. So these are equivalent. Now angle 1 is equivalent to angle 8. Angle 2, 1 is equivalent to angle 8. Angle 2 is equivalent to angle 7. Angle 2 is equivalent to angle 7. These are also equivalent angle. Angle 1 is equivalent to angle 8. Angle 2 is equivalent to angle 7. जैसे कि हमने 3 को 6 के equivalent किया था. 3 is equivalent to angle 6. This is the property, that is it is because alternate interior angle. ये alternate interior angle है. 3 6 के बराबर है और 4 5 के बराबर है. वैसे ही angle 1 is equivalent to angle 8. Angle 1 जो है वो angle 8 के equivalent है. Angle 2 angle 7 के equivalent है. क्यों है? क्योंकि these are alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. these are alternate exterior angle. So these are equivalent. Now angle 1 is equivalent to angle 5. Angle 1 is equivalent to angle 5. 1 is equivalent to 5. 2, angle 2 is equivalent to angle 6. Why? Because it is vertically opposite. These two are equivalent because these are alternate interior. These are equivalent because it is alternate exterior angle. Now angle 1 is equivalent to 5, angle 2 is equivalent to 6, and similarly angle 3 is equivalent to angle 7, angle 4 is equivalent to angle 8. Why it is equivalent? Because these are corresponding angle. These are corresponding angle. These are corresponding angles. So these are equivalent. So these are equivalent. These are some properties of these angles. One, if these are two parallel line, अगर दो parallel line given है, एक transversal उसमें से जा रही है. Transversal क्या होती है? Transversal, it is a line that passes two different lines on the same plate at two distinct points. Now, so angle 1 is equivalent to 4. Angle 1 4 के बराबर है. Angle 2 3 के बराबर है. Angle 5 angle 8 के बराबर है. Angle 6 angle 7 के बराबर है. क्यों बराबर है? Because these are vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now angle 1 is equivalent to angle 5. Angle 2 is equivalent to angle 6. Angle 3 is equivalent to angle 7. And angle 4 is equivalent to angle 8. Why these are equivalent? Because these are corresponding angles. Now angle 3 is equivalent to angle 6. Angle 4 is equivalent to angle 5. Why? Because these are alternate interior angles. Now angle 1 is equivalent to angle 8 and angle 2 is equivalent to angle 7. Why? Because these are alternate interior angles. So these are the some properties which I have told you all in today's class. I hope that everybody has understood this. So coming towards the question क्या दिया हुआ है? AB is parallel to CD, find X. इस क्वेश्चन में AB को पैरेलल है CD के, ये बताया गया है, और एक ट्रांसवर्स दी गई है MN, और हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें फाइंड आउट करना है व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ X, और हमें एक सिर्फ एंगल गिवन है. We are given with only one angle, that is angle AOM is equals to 80 degree, and we have to find the angle X. हमें X की वैल्यू निकालनी है. जो अभी तक हमने प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी है उसी से हम इसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? So let's see. We are going to name this point at which this MN intersect CD as, इस पॉइंट को हम नेम करेंगे, जैसे इस पॉइंट का है O, इसको हम लेट करेंगे E. Now we know that angle AOM is equal to angle CEO. Angle AOM जो है, solution, angle AOM is equivalent to angle CEO. Angle CEO क्यों इक्विवेलेंट है? ये एंगल इस एंगल के क्यों इक्विवेलेंट है? क्योंकि ये कौन सा एंगल है हमने पढ़ा था? इफ दीज आर टू पैरेलल लाइंस, अगर कोई दो पैरेलल लाइंस है, ये एक ट्रांसवर्स है, ट्रांसवर्सल है, तो ये एंगल इसके इक्विवेलेंट होगा. क्यों होगा? क्योंकि ये करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है. सो एंगल COM, एंगल CEO is equivalent to 80 डिग्री. ये क्यों इक्विवेलेंट है? इसका यहाँ रीजन लिख दीजिएगा. बिकॉज दिस इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. रीजन लिखना जरूरी है. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू राइट द रीजन बिकॉज दिस इज करस्पॉन्डिंग angle. Okay, angle AOM is equal to angle CEO because it is corresponding angle. अब हमें ये पता चल गया एंगल CEO क्या है, ये भी है हमारा 80 डिग्री का. क्वेश्चन ये भी 80 डिग्री का है. अगर ये 80 डिग्री का है, we know that in the previous class we have studied that straight angle. This is a straight angle. So 80 plus x is equal to 180 degree. It is a straight angle. Angle CEO plus angle x is equivalent to 180 degree because it is a straight angle. So angle x is equivalent to 180 degree minus 80 degree, that is equivalent to 100 degrees. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आई, 100 आई. x की वैल्यू 100 कैसे आई, हमें सिर्फ क्या गिवन था, वी आर गिवन विद ओनली एंगल AOM. हमें इसकी वैल्यू नहीं पता थी CEO की. हमने जो प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी थी हमने वो लगाई एंगल की. हमें पता था कि ये एंगल इसके इक्विवेलेंट होगा. क्यों होगा, क्योंकि ये करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है. ठीक है, फिर हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में ये भी पढ़ा था, इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंगल. दिस होल इट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन एंगल. और स्ट्रेट लाइन एंगल अगर ये दो, ये है ट्रांसवर्स जा रही है, तो ये पूरा एंगल क्या होगा, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन एंगल होगा. कितने का होता है, स्ट्रेट एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट एंगल. नाउ अगर स्ट्रेट एंगल है तो दोनों का सम 180 को इक्विवेलेंट होगा. तो 80 प्लस x, CEO is 80, so we can write it down here also. 80 degree plus angle x is equivalent to 180. और यहां से आप डायरेक्टली x की वैल्यू निकाल लोगे. तो एंगल x is equivalent to 180 minus 80, that is equivalent to 100 degree. So what is the value of x? Value of x is equivalent to 100 degree. This is our value of x. So I hope that everybody has understood today's class, what I have teach you all, and please practice these all questions, and in the next class I am going to teach you all some more questions on this topic only. Now thank you everybody for liking these videos, for watching my channel and also subscribing it. So thank you everybody, and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Basic Math by Firdaus. You all can also follow me on my Telegram channel, and the link is given in your description box. If you have any query related to the topic, you can comment me on the comment section. And if you want me to make videos on any specific topic related to the maths, then you can also comment me on the comment section. And please practice these all questions. You all can also follow me on my Telegram and Instagram. So thank you everybody, and have a nice day.